Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We extracted the left-hand side and right-hand side of the formula, and then we extracted all the tokens from the left-hand side using the regular expressions module. Today we will learn how to create a function that will return the left-hand side, the right-hand side tokens, and the formula side. So it will return a tuple of 3 items. On invocation, we will unpack the tuples into the 3 separate variables. So I will call the function parse formula. So define function parse formula. The input parameter is the formula colon, and now we are writing the code for the function. I will copy the code from solution PY, cut, and I will paste it here. So everything has to be intended. I will intend to with 2 spaces. So I extract the sign, I split the formula on the 2 sides. I get the string from the left hand side, the string from the right hand side. Then I am extracting the tokens for the left hand side, and similarly I will extract the tokens from the right hand side. So right hand side, and now I am returning the tuple. So the tuple will have left hand side tokens, formula sign. I am putting them in the same order as they are in the formula, and right hand side tokens. Now, since we are using regular expression module, we will import it here as well. Import RE, and that should be pretty much all. I am saving it. Now, in the solution PI, I have to import this function, parse formula. Since I do not need any more getF sign is used here, not here anymore. I will just import the parse formula, and now I have to invoke the function. So I will say left hand side tokens, comma, F sign, comma, right hand side tokens, it's equal parse formula of formula. Okay, so what happened? We have here LHS, F sign, RHS tokens, and they are here returned. So I'm returning this one. On return, this will be unpacked on these 3 variables. Okay, now we'll just quickly test it. So we will print the tokens from the left hand side, and then the tokens from the right hand side. Okay. So this is right hand side, and we will execute our 4 tests. Okay, I will save this one. Just make sure that this one is saved as well. And now let's run the test. So we have solution PY, our original program is this one. Okay, the 2 tokens on left hand side, the tokens on the right hand side, the sign is correct. Then the second problem, same thing. The third problem, okay, here we have a different sign, so we note that the sign it's parsed correctly, and then the last one, and another sign is smaller than equal is passed as well. Okay, so our test passed. Now we parse all the formulas so we can move forward in the next lessons to solve the problem. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.